Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to check for your next of kin on your MTN Mobile Money wallet. Yeah, so if you want to check your next of kin, if you're wondering who is your next of kin, maybe you've forgotten, then this particular video is for you. So just dial the USSD code *170#, dial this USSD code, then select option 6, that's wallet. So select option 6, wallet. Yeah, and next. So in here, select option 11. That's the name and next of kin. Yeah, so that's it. So this will give you, the name of the person you used as your next of kin during your MTN Mobile Money registration. Yeah. So if you want to change it, then you can tap on one and make the changes. Yeah. So that's how simple and easy it is, to know your next of kin of your MTN Mobile Money wallet. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and so give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.